Either you might be an individual finance agent, video editor, graphic designer, website designer, or you might have an agency or a small business. But if you want to get high paying clients through LinkedIn, then this tool is for you. Aimfox is an automation tool that can improve your LinkedIn outreach process. So the main idea behind this is we are going to send connection requests on the people over LinkedIn. And once they accept your connection, we are going to send them a greeting message along with your offer. If they respond to it, you can proceed. And if they don't respond, we can also send follow-up messages using this tool. You can also do it manually, but for doing it manually, you need to keep track of every person in a Google Sheet. But instead of that, if you use this Aimfox tool, you can automate the process by configuring everything in just 5 minutes. Even though there are much more advanced tools in the market, they are a bit complicated to use. But Aimfox is very user-friendly and simple to use. So now let's see how to configure everything. Once you get access to the Aimfox, you can see a dashboard something like this. And the first thing you need to do is to add your LinkedIn accounts. You can click on this icon saying LinkedIn accounts. You can add or remove your LinkedIn accounts from here using this option. And the next thing we need to do is to create templates. So templates are nothing but a form of messages. So let me show you this recruiting message one. So this is a message that I'm going to send to the people who want to join my financial agency. So this is the initial message which I will be sending to them. And next I will be sending a follow-up messages to the same person after 2 days. So this is one category. And this is another example. This is the message which I am going to send for the founders, CEOs, or any CXOs of the companies. So this is the initial message, and then I am going to send these 2 more follow-up messages with the 2 days of interval. So once you have crafted your templates, we need to create campaigns. So campaign is the one where you can select your audience and create the flows and also schedule the dates. So to create one, you need to create a campaign. So there are different types of campaigns here. So mostly we will be using search campaign in order to filter out the data based on their categories. But if you want to select the people who had responded to your post or participated in an event or a part of some group, you can use these options as well. So let's click on next. You can change your name and everything here. Just leave everything to default and then create campaign. You can filter out all the people using these options. You can also give the keywords here like CXO, CEO, so something like this, and then you can select location. And also you can select industry, company, and everything. It has filtered out the data of the CEOs or CFOs of the companies. And the next thing is to do is click on next. It starts to gather the data of the people, and meanwhile we can go to the next step. And here we can create the connections. So for this, just come here to message sequence and then add a follow-up message. And here you can select the templates which you have created earlier, or you can create a new templates right from here. So for this example, I am using this recruit message one template. So once someone accepts my connection request, I am going to send this message to them after 1 day. You can see here the message will be sent after 1 day. You can select the time as you want. And if they do not reply for this, I am going to send a follow-up messages saying recruit follow-up. So this message. And if you could see, there are tags here. So I will click on edit and we can insert these tags here. So if you insert the tag first name, it will automatically adjust as his first name. If you put occupation here and then click on save, it's going to give his occupation as well. So you can use these tags as well. And I am going to send this follow-up message after 2 days. So here to understand the flow, first we will be sending connection, and once he accepts the connection, after 1 day, we will send this message, and if he doesn't reply after 2 days, we are going to send this message. And by the way, someone replies to our first message, the flow will be terminated here itself. And then you can disable this option and then click on next. So here you need to choose your timings on which day you want to target. Disable the weekends and then choose the time as you like and then click on next. So here you can review everything and then click on next to schedule this campaign. So now I want to show you another campaign which I have created. So this campaign is for the AI chatbots. So if you see here, we have created 2 flows, A and B. Use of creating multiple flows is that we can test our script. It's like an A/B testing, and based on these results, you can see that which script works for your purpose better. So this is the first message which I have crafted regarding the AI automation chatbots. And then this is a follow-up message. And after 2 days, I'm going to send them a final follow-up message. So this is how we can automate the LinkedIn outreach process using the Aimfox. And right now, this tool is available for a lifetime deal. So once you purchase it, you can use it for lifetime. The link is in the description. Check it out.